Praise Fire, whatever the heck my YouTube name is now. I have been really sick, not uploading at all. Christmas and stuff like that, church involving things or whatever. It's like 7:30 in the morning or something. I didn't sleep at all last night. Literally, I was just watching PewDiePie, and Markiplier, and Jacksepticeye, and that British kid no one cares about. But anyway, I'll start uploading. I'm getting a phone for more uploadage or whatever. So I'm sorry I wasn't uploading, but jeez. I just want to tell you guys I'm sorry for not doing whatever, and yeah. I might stop doing YouTube, I'm not sure. I'm kind of getting tired of it. That's probably one of the reasons why I didn't do anything. I've been having sickness problems, so I'm not I'm not doing anything right now. Oh gosh. But anyway, just sorry about it. I might not be doing YouTube anymore. Not sure why. I just told you. But go ahead and check out, if you're getting tired of me, as usual, yeah, go ahead and check out empireofnoobs. He's a cool YouTuber. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys later, maybe. Peace out, and go ahead and join the flames, or whatever you do when you subscribe. Yeah, bye.